This is what buying from local farmers actually looks like in my kitchen. This pork came from a farmer nearby. The beef came from a local rancher. The eggs and milk came from a farm stand down the road. And this is how I turn all of that into real meals during the week. This isn't a special meal. This is just a normal day at home. I'm making some rice, cooking a ham steak, and using up a head of broccoli, but almost everything here came from someone local. The pork is from a pig I bought from a nearby farmer. And this is why I like buying this way. I already have good food in the house, so meals are simple. I'll eat half of this for lunch today, and then I'll take the other half and turn it into something else. That's another reason I like buying from local farms. I'm not just cooking one meal at a time. I'm thinking ahead a little bit. I don't want to deal with breakfast during the work week. So I take those same ingredients, eggs, cheese, and vegetables. Ham, and turn them into egg bites. These go straight into the freezer, and then in the mornings I can just grab one and heat it up. It's simple, it uses what I already have, and it keeps me from relying on store-bought convenience food. This is really the system. I cook once, eat now, and then set something aside for later. And over time, that builds into a freezer full of food. I've got pork, chicken, and beef from different local farms. It looks like I'm getting a little low, which means it's probably time to restock soon. Most mornings, I'll grab an egg bite and heat it up and pair it with a slice of sourdough, and that's breakfast done. It doesn't take any extra time during the week because I already did the work ahead of time. And then there are things like this: fresh, raw milk from a local farm. I skim the cream off the top and use it for other things in the kitchen, like my coffee every morning. This is something I just can't get from a store. And it's a big part of why I keep going back to local farmers. This is just one day, but this is pretty much how I use everything I buy from locals.